Hello everyone, my name is Galutar Urmila. I am working as an assistant dietitian in UN Mehta Hospital. Today's my topic is dietary management during diabetes mellitus. फर्स्ट स्लाइड ये जो दिखाई दे रही है उसमें हमें डायबिटीज का डाइट है और जो मशीन है उससे हम डायबिटीज की जांच कर सकते हैं हमारी बॉडी में. Diabetes mellitus is a condition when the blood glucose or so called blood sugar is too high. Diabetes is a disease that affects body's ability to produce or respond to insulin. Insulin is a hormone that is released in response to food we eat. In normal and healthy person, the pancreas releases insulin to help the body store and use the sugar from the food they eat. Food, particularly carbohydrate-rich food in our diet, namely rice, wheat, potato, etc., are digested and broke down into sugar is called a glucose. Glucose is vital for our health because it is important source of energy for our body. Insulin helps to utilize this glucose to produce energy by the body for our daily activities. Insulin also stimulates the cells take up to glucose, thus prevent the rise body glucose and maintains its level within certain normal limits. It is known as disease related to sweetness since countries and India will become one of the countries with highest number of diabetes like 15 millions. Insulin is the hormones produced by the beta cells of pancreas. It helps for uptake of glucose by cells and maintain the blood glucose level within normal limits. In diabetes, pancreas cannot produce to enough insulin and insulin produce is not effective to control the blood sugar. डायबिटीज के टू टाइप्स है, टाइप्स 1 और टाइप्स 2. टाइप्स 1 डायबिटीज इंसुलिन डिपेंडेंस डायबिटीज mellitus seen in adolescents children on onset is very rapid. There is little or no insulin production. Symptoms are severe if insulin injections are not given to patient develops ketoacidosis and diet. Type 2 diabetes. Non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus affect the adults who are overweight, obese. Insulin production is normal or high, but insulin produce is not effective. The onset is gradual. The diet, exercise, and anti-diabetic drugs are enough to control the blood sugar. जेस्टेशनल डायबिटीज है वो हमें प्रेग्नेंट लेडी में देखने को मिलता है. ठीक है. Diabetes developed during pregnancy is called gestational diabetes. Pregnant women should be checked for diabetes if there is family history of diabetes. IGT, impaired glucose tolerance. When rise of blood sugar after 75 gram glucose load it between normal and diabetic patient's condition is called impaired glucose tolerance. Such person should be careful in diet and avoid obesity and do regular exercise. अब हम देखने जा रहे हैं डायबिटीज के रिस्क फैक्टर. उसमें फर्स्ट है हेरिडिटी, सेकंड है ओबेसिटी, थर्ड है सेडेटरी लाइफस्टाइल और लास्ट है एजिंग इज आल्सो कंसिडर्ड एज अ रिस्क फैक्टर्स. सिम्टम्स ऑफ डायबिटीज. डायबिटीज इज कॉल्ड साइलेंट किलर. फर्स्ट है उसके सिम्टम एक्सेस थ्रेस लाइक सबसे ज्यादा पसीना होना बॉडी में, इंक्रीज एपेटाइट, ज्यादा भूख लगती है, frequent urination, loss of weight, easy tiredness and slow healing of cut and wounds. Like जब हमें कोई भी चीज लगता है वो धारदार या नुकीली कोई भी चीज होती है उससे जल्दी हमें रूज नहीं आती बॉडी में. Diagnosis: fasting blood sugar is more than 128 milligram per dl and 2 hours after glucose loading of 75 gram is 180 mg per dl. The diabetes is confirmed by oral glucose tolerance test. OGTT. OGTT test is conducted after 12 hours of overweight fasting glucose 75 gram in adults and 1.75 gram per kilogram of body weight in children is orally administered. Before glucose load and 2 hours after it blood samples are collected and glucose level are estimated. प्लाज्मा ग्लूकोज लेवल mg पर dl उसमें नॉर्मल फास्टिंग रेंज है लेस देन 110 और पोस्ट पेरेंडियल 2 आवर्स पोस्ट मील 140 है और डायबिटीज में ग्रेटर देन 126 और पोस्ट पेरेंडियल पोस्ट मील 200 है. कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ऑफ डायबिटीज. फर्स्ट है एक्यूट कॉम्प्लिकेशन. इसमें hypoglycemia, repeat and severe lowering of blood sugar is called a hypoglycemia. The person with low blood sugar experience increased appetite, weakness, sweating, restlessness, and dizziness. This is the result from excessive dose insulin and inadequate intake of food and due to intake alcohol along with anti-diabetic drug or following exercises. Ketoacidosis. When body cannot utilize carbohydrate to provide energy to burn increased amount of fat and certain amino acid and result increase of metabolic products called ketosis. When when ketones produced are more is accumulate in the body and resulting in ketoacidosis. In the serious condition is the patient may go into coma. Before going to coma, they may experience threat, weakness, dizziness and without vomiting. It may result from inadequate treatment of diabetes during acute infections. Infections in diabetes cut and wounds heal slowly and patients are prone to TB, infection of skin, urinary tract and foot. Long-term complications increase the predisposition to atherosclerosis due to high level of blood lipids and cholesterol and triglyceride make them sustainable to heart disease and shock. Serum cholesterol level increase the cholesterol level in risk of heart disease. Desirable level less than 200 mg per dl and borderline is 200 and 239 and high more than 240. Lesion that affect small blood vessels of eyes and kidney, retinopathy, nephropathy result is excess of protein in urine and neglect may lead to kidney failure. Diabetes can develop. Nephropathy due to peripheral lesion is nervous system leads to numbness and burning session is distal part of upper and lower limbs and tingling and numbness. Objective of diabetes management to reduce a blood sugar level, maintain ideal body weight, treat the symptoms, reduce serum lipids, provide adequate nutrition, avoid acute complications and prevent the vascular complications. Treatment is diet, exercise, drug, and education. Diet in diabetes. Normal Indian diet is suitable for diabetes, but nutrients intake has to be trailer more made based on age, sex, height, weight, physical and psychological need of patients. Diet prescription is made based on day-to-day activity, diet history based on physical activity, body weight, and the total calorie required is calculated. Calorie is energy should allow to patient to lose or gain weight and maintain 105 lower than ideal body weight. Ideal body weight calculate by the using this formula IBW is equal to height in centimeter minus 100. Based body weight for obese or underweight based this daily calorie requirement of individual per day kilogram body weight can be work weight. For overweight 20 kilocalorie per kilogram body weight per day. For ideal body weight is 30 kilocalorie per kilogram. For underweight is 40 kilocalorie per kilogram body weight and generally the calorie recommended for diabetes than normal. Pregnant women with diabetes are more prone certain illness than non-diabetic pregnant women. Insulin requirement of pregnant women goes to 1 to 3 times. In absence of diabetes is ketoacidosis result. Pregnant women with diabetes are more prone to pre-eclampsia, toxemia, and hydromesosis and increased risk of abortions and conjunctival malformations. Blood sugar should be controlled by dietary treatment and treatment with insulin. Delivery should be conducted under the medical supervision. Neonatal hypoglycemia and respiratory distress is common in newborn of diabetes mother. Children are typically heavy and need specific attention and pregnancy requires to 30 to 35 kilocalorie per kilogram of desirable weight. Protein requirement 1.5 to 2.5 gram kilogram body weight. Children में 1000 kilocalorie plus 225 kilocalorie for boys. The 1000 kilocalorie per plus 100 kilocalorie for girls of every year of age. For 10-year boys and girls, 1000 plus 1250 is equal to 2250. For diabetic persons in adults, CHO like carbohydrate. Diabetes have to after the type of CHO in diet in 60 to 65% of calories should from CHO. Cereal and pulses should be included. Refined CHO like honey, jaggery, sugar, and jam are avoided. Sugars present in fruit and milk and raise the blood sugar is slow rate. Distribution of CHO is blood sugar level depends intake of CHO and total CHO are divided into 4 to 5 parts in served during lunch, dinner, out of remaining during breakfast and 9% during tea or bedtime. In insulin dependent patient is additional CHO are given before patient go to sleep and to prevent hypoglycemia if patient are slow acting insulin. Protein. Protein are essential for growth and tissue repair. RDA is 1 gram per kilogram body weight. Children, pregnant and lactating mother are need more. The required for protein increase during burns and trauma. In diabetes associated with the renal problem, protein is restricted to 0.6 kilogram body weight. In an NIDDM patient of 50 to 20% of total calories should be derived uh, proteins should get to 1 to 1.5 gram protein kilogram per body weight. Proteins from vegetable are better than proteins are animal food since and add fiber of diet. Fats. Fats contain should vitamin and three type of fat are ghee, butter, vanaspati and coconut oil. Second is sunflower and safflower is unsaturated and PUFA fatty acid. Groundnut oil, palm oil, olive oil is monounsaturated fatty acid. Type of fat is quality fat are important to 50 to 25% total calories come from fat and non-vegetarian in diabetes come house to fish, chicken and without skin. Instead of egg, mutton, liver and brain that increase the cholesterol, diabetes can take to 4 teaspoons of fat per day. Vitamins and minerals. Green leafy vegetable, fresh fruits, milk, cereals, nuts, fish, and egg provide to vitamins and minerals. During infections and other complications, many required increase to vitamin and minerals of form of supplements. Dietary fiber. Fiber is present in fruits, legumes, fenugreek seed. Its blood sugar is more effective than insoluble fiber and cereal and millets. Dietary fiber can reduce to cardiovascular disease. 25 gram fiber is 1000 kilocalories recommended. Diabetes should be consumed to low calorie food in low glycemic index. Fenugreek seed, certain of mucinesis and fiber and total fiber is 20 to 50 gram percentage. It contains the triglycerides and alkaloids and knows it reduces the blood sugar level and serum lipid levels and have overall benefit and effect of 25 gram fenugreek in divided into doses. Dietary guidelines. Avoid the sweet, sugar, honey, jam, cake, fruit, juice and sugar. Use of fat in limit amounts. Use of cereals and pulses is rich amount. Use of high fiber and much is possible. Use vegetable is desirable and take permitted to fruit in limit amount. Glycemic index. Extent of rise of blood sugar is response to a food in comparison with response to inadequate amount of glucose. Diabetes should be consumed or low glycemic food. Cereals and roots vegetable have to 65 to 75% glycemic index. Fruits and vegetable have a 45 to 55% and peas and beans have a GI is 45 to 55% and diet alternate is associated and disordered. Diabetes is a heart disease, fat intake to be limited. Diabetes with renal disease and protein intake is limited. Diabetes with hypertension, salt intake to be limited. Alcohol. Alcohol intake may lower the blood sugar level and result in hypoglycemia and lead to peripheral and nephropathy like cause overweight and obesity. Exercise. Exercise help to general well-being, diabetes, reduce body weight, other risk factor of heart disease, increase to peripheral circulation and enhance to action of insulin and reduce dose the anti-diabetic drug and reduce stress and strain. Brisk walking, jogging, bicycle, swimming and playing badminton and tennis is diabetes patient on insulin should seek medicine and advised to before energy in strain or over exercise. prevent hypoglycemia, consume to extra carbohydrate before and after exercise. Insulin. Short acting and intermediate acting of long acting insulin are there. IDDM patient need to regular breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, bedtime snacks and avoid to hypoglycemia. Sometimes drug are following conditions is IDDM subject need to insulin, drug acute infection, surgery, pregnancy and when oral drug do not work. The fruit, vegetable and cereal the reduce the efficiency enzyme or hydrolysis and slow rate of glucose entering the blood. Starch in is seed of coat does not get hydrolyzed and glucose as here is good food. Milk, curd, many have a low glycemic index. The pulse and legumes have a low glycemic index. Chapati that have a chewed and low glycemic index compared to kanji. Amylose reach rice varieties and digestion slowly and have a glycemic index. Fatty acid and cereal reduce to glycemic index. Natural foods have a low glycemic index compared to processed food. The GI of fructose in low and small serving of nuts and place of cereal is better than control the diabetes in snacks. Should dietary fiber among with the low glycemic fat and used for diabetes mellitus. Standard for diabetes, fasting blood sugar and 2-hour prandial blood sugar and random blood sugar is HbA1c less than 6%. 30 minutes of light to moderate exercise daily in essential like walking, running, cycling, swimming, etc. Keep a record of a food taken during the day. Don't be hungry and don't be fast. Take food 3 to 5 times in a day. Minimize use of oil, ghee, dal vada, vegetable ghee and salt in daily diet to prevent the consumption and increase the consumption for fresh fruit, vegetable and use of all seasonable vegetables. Consume more fiber rich food like salad, vegetables, soup, sprouts, beans, millet, etc. in daily diet of diabetic patients should be specifically eat sugar, jaggery, honey, glucose, chiku, mango, banana, grapes, rice, cake, pastry, cold drink and mayonnaise, etc. Do not take daily dates. Wheat fada, thuli, ragi, kodri can be used to instead of rice. Soybean flour, ragi flour and blurry flour can be taken along with the wheat flour and increase the property of papaya, guava, pomegranate, orange, mango, apple in fruit. Milk and milk products should be taken without cream. Smoking is major risk factor for heart disease, so consume alcohol, cigarette, pan, gutka, ginger, onion, garlic pepper, fenugreek, cumin. Lemon can be used in food. Lemon juice, black pepper, cumin powder, etc. should be used instead of salt from above in food. Diet chart for diabetes patient. Morning. Squeeze the half lemon in warm water and soak overnight in 1 glass. Exercise 30 to 45 minutes in morning. Morning breakfast is like milk, tea, coffee is 1 cup and following breakfast is good to 100 gram per ml. Khakra, 2 nang, rava idli, upma, oats, poha in 150 grams, marigold biscuit is 3 NOS and methi thepla is 2 to 3 NOS. Fruits, papaya, orange, pomegranate, mosambi, apple. For lunch, salad and soup is 1 bowl. Fulka roti, vegetable, pulses is 1 bowl, dal is half bowl and veg dalia khichdi in 1 bowl. Snacks में milk, tea, coffee 1 gram per ml and beans, roasted poha, mamra, roasted marigold biscuit, khakra. Dinner में salad, soup and vegetable paratha is 2 NOS. Dinner, salad soup 1 bowl, veg paratha 2 NOS, bajra roti 1 NOS, vegetable dalia and khichdi 1 bowl, vegetables half bowl and slip into warm milk without sugar. Not लेस शुगर ऑयल एंड घी इन डेली फूड. जो डायबिटीज़ के पेशेंट होते हैं उनको हमें खाने में शुगर वाला खाना नहीं देना है और जो मीठे फ्रूट होते हैं वो नहीं देना है. आम है, केला है, चीकू है, कैरी है, टेटी है, सीताफल है, वो सब हमें उन्हें नहीं देना है. पपीता है, ऑरेंज है, पाइनएप्पल है, ड्रैगन फ्रूट है, वो हम उनको दे सकते हैं. राइस की जगह पे हम उन्हें राइस की जगह पे हम उन्हें कोदरी, बंटी, रागी उसकी खिचड़ी बनाकर खिला सकते हैं. डेली उनको दूध मिल्क है, मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स है, वो हमें उनको खाने में दे सकते हैं, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती है। और लेमन वाटर है, नारियल पानी है, वो भी हम उनको दे सकते हैं। थैंक यू।